Sufism's answer to the loneliness epidemic. The Science of Divine Companionship, Uns Billah Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. In an age of unprecedented connectivity, loneliness has paradoxically become a global epidemic. Millions feel isolated, even amidst crowds, longing for a connection that transcends the superficial. But what if the deepest, most enduring companionship is not found in others, but within, with the divine? Today, we delve into Sufism's answer to the loneliness epidemic. The Science of Divine Companionship, Uns Billah. We'll explore how Sufism cultivates an intimate, abiding presence with Allah, transforming isolation into profound inner peace and an unbreakable bond with the source of all existence. Prepare to discover the ultimate cure for the lonely heart. Part 1. The Modern Loneliness Epidemic. A Deeper Hunger. Let's first acknowledge the reality despite social media, instant messaging, and global travel. Studies consistently show rising rates of loneliness. It's not just about being alone, it's the feeling of being disconnected, misunderstood, or lacking deep, meaningful relationships. The hunger for connection. This epidemic points to a deeper human hunger, a craving for true belonging, understanding, and unconditional love that worldly connections, no matter how numerous, often fail to fully satisfy. The emptiness within, external validation, or fleeting relationships can provide temporary relief, but they cannot fill the existential void that often underlies profound loneliness. This void, for the Sufi, is the soul's yearning for its origin. Part 2. Introducing Uns Billah, Intimacy with the Divine. This is where the Sufi concept of Uns Billah offers a revolutionary answer, which translates to intimacy, familiarity, profound companionship, or spiritual comfort. Billah means with Allah, the ultimate companion. Uns Billah is the cultivation of a deep, abiding sense of companionship with Allah. It's the realization that you are never truly alone. For Allah is always present, closer to you than your jugular vein. Quran 50-16. Beyond fear and anxiety, when one attains Uns Billah, fear of loneliness, abandonment, or even death diminishes. The heart finds solace and contentment in the divine presence, regardless of external circumstances. A state of the heart. It's not merely an intellectual belief, but an experiential state of the heart, where one feels a profound comfort, ease, an intimate connection with the Creator, as if constantly in His blessed company. Part 3. The Science of Cultivating Uns Billah. Practical steps. How do Sufis cultivate this profound state of Uns Billah? It is a science in the sense of being a methodical, transformative practice. Dhikr, remembrance of Allah. Constant remembrance of Allah's names, especially those denoting closeness. For example, al-Qarib, the near, al-Wadud, the loving. Dhikr polishes the heart, removing veils and allowing the light of divine presence to shine through. The heart begins to pulsate with divine companionship.
Solitude.
Seclusion, deliberately seeking moments of solitude, not to isolate, but to disconnect from worldly noise and connect more deeply with Allah in true spiritual solitude. One discovers the best companion. Tafakkur, contemplation, deep contemplation on Allah's signs in creation and His attributes. Seeing His presence in every atom, every breath, every act of nature fosters a pervasive awareness of His nearness. Sincere prayer, dua, turning to Allah in heartfelt supplication, sharing one's deepest fears, hopes, and gratitude, as if speaking to an intimate friend who is always listening and understanding. Service to creation, khidma, serving others for Allah's sake, recognizing His presence in His creation. Paradoxically, selfless service often deepens one's connection to the divine. Part 4. The Fruits of Divine Companionship. Transforming loneliness. The cultivation of Uns Billah yields profound transformations. Inner peace, sakina. A deep tranquility settles in the heart. Undisturbed by external events or the absence of others, the constant connection with Allah brings ultimate assurance. True independence. One becomes truly independent of external validation or the need for constant human companionship to feel complete. Solitude becomes sweet, not sorrowful. authentic relationships. Paradoxically, cultivating Uns Billah often improves human relationships. Free from desperate neediness, one can engage with others from a place of wholeness, offering unconditional love and genuine connection. A shield against despair. In moments of loss, grief, or personal difficulty, the presence of Uns Billah acts as an unbreakable shield, reminding the heart that it is never truly alone, and that Allah is its ultimate solace. The ever-present friend, the loneliness epidemic, is a cry for deep, authentic connection. Sufism, through the Science of Divine Companionship, Uns Billah, offers the ultimate answer. The realization that Allah, ever-present, the all-loving, is the truest and most constant companion. By turning inward, purifying the heart, and cultivating conscious remembrance, we transform the ache of loneliness into the profound comfort of intimacy with our Creator. It is the ultimate cure for the lonely heart, and truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this deeply personal and universally relevant journey. If this lecture resonated with your spirit, please like this video, subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed, share your thoughts on overcoming loneliness through divine companionship in the comments below. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah fill our hearts with His eternal uns.